Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the disk scheduling algorithms. The main goal of the disk scheduling algorithm is to minimize the seek time. Already you know what is seek time? The time required to reach to the required track. The time required the reader right head to move to the required track is called as a seek time. The main goal of the disk scheduling algorithms is to minimize the seek time. If you minimize the seek time, the access time is also minimized. Access time is minimized means we can access the information from the disk in a less time. There are four algorithms in the disk scheduling. The first one is the FIFO or FCFS. We can also call as the first in first out or FCFS. It is in a queue manner. And the second one is the SSTF, shortest seek time. First, third one is the scan and C scan. Today we are going to discuss about the FCFS or FIFO. That algorithm we are going to learn now. In this algorithm, it is the very simplest algorithm among all these algorithms, and the requests are entertained in the order they arrive. Means the first which order arrives, that is going to be source first. Whichever the request comes first, that request is going to serve first. Next, what are the advantages of this FCFS are easy to understand and implement, and no starvation, and can be used with less loads. Next, disadvantage. What are the disadvantages of the FIFO? This is more seek time and more waiting time, inefficient. These are all the disadvantages of the first out or FCFS disk scheduling algorithm. Next, for this, we'll see one example. If you see the example, you can easily understand the FCFS algorithm. Now, in this example, we have the request queue. The request queue means it is that these are called as the track numbers, what we want to reach. The first track number is 98, 183, 37, 122. The request queue it is having. Now the initial point, the reader right head, initially we have at the 53 point. At this place the reader right head is pointing. Now we'll see this here. This is for example, we'll take the days. This from 0 to 199 tracks are there in this. Here somewhere we have the 14th track, and somewhere we have 53 track, and somewhere 65, and somewhere 67, and next here 37. Next we have 98, here maybe 98, and next 122, here somewhere 183. Here first request. What is the first request? 98. Initial point of the track is the reader right head is 53. Now initially the reader right arm is at 53. Now we are reaching from 53 to 98. Here 53 to 98. Now we reached here. We access the 98, and next request queue is 183. Now again we are reaching to 183, and we access the information at 183, and next 37. Again, if you want to access the 37, reader right head arm is going to move reverse like this, and it is going to access this 37. Next we have 122. Again we'll reach to the 122, and we'll access this information. Next we reach to the 14, and next we reach to the next 124 is also there. Next we'll reach to the 124. Next we reach to the 65, and from 65 next we reach to the 67. This is the end of the request, and the first request 98 we reach to there, and again we are reaching all the request queue, and we are accessing the information. The time required from moving from here to here and moving from here to here to here, that is called as the seek time. Now we'll calculate the seek time for the first come first serve algorithm, scheduling algorithm. For that, first moving from 53 to 98, how much time we require? 98 minus 53. And from 98 to 183, how much time we have? 183 minus 98 we'll get that answer. Next, from 183 to 37, 183 minus 37. And next, from 37 to we are reaching to 122, means 122 minus 37. Next, from 122 to 14, 122 minus 14. And here from 14 to again 124, means 124 minus 14. Next, from 124 to 65, 124 minus 65. Next, from 65 to 67, 67 minus 65, this is 2. Here we have 5 plus 4, 45. Next, 13 minus 8, 5. Next, 17 minus 9, 8. This is 85. 13 minus 7, 6. Next, 17 minus 3, 14. Next, 12 minus 5, 11 minus 3, 8. 85. Next, 122 minus 14, but 12 minus 4, 12 minus 4, 8. And 11 minus 1, 10. Next, 110. Next, 14 minus 5, 14 minus 5, 9. 11 minus 6, 5. This 2. We'll calculate this. We are going to get the seek time.